Why do I need a will? It sounds like a rhetorical question, but maybe ask yourself, why do I need a will? And the number one reason about having a will is asset distribution. You want to make sure that your wishes regarding your estate, so estate is a fancy word to say everything that is under your name, every house, car, belongings, think about heirlooms, paintings that are just passed from generation to generation in the family. You want that to be distributed according to your wishes. So that's one. And then the next one, if I can get this clicker to work. The next one is the appointment of the executor. So the person that's going to be in charge of making sure that your wishes are executed, right? Accomplished, fulfilled. That's the role of the executor. And then you need a will because you want someone, especially your kids are under the age of majority, you want someone of your choice, of your trust, that would be able to make decisions for their care. Otherwise, it's something that would be passed off to the province. And so you kind of lose control and over what would be your wishes. And then gift and charitable donations. So you could be a philanthropist or you are a churchgoer and you want to leave something that will benefit charitable organization after you're gone. That is also one way to consider the why behind the will. And what I really want to impart on the audience tonight is to understand that you are in control. The number one advantage of having the will or why a will is that you are in control. No one else is deciding for you what you want to happen when you're no longer there. But also, you want to avoid conflict. And far too often, I have seen it and witnessed situations when the family is torn apart because the deceased did not have the foresight to have a will, to determine who gets what, and just to think about distribution, executors, guardianship, and charitable donations. And so you want to make sure that your legacy lives on after you're no longer there. And if you follow us on social media, there was a post today that went up, and it really said, your legacy is more than just your assets. It's the memory of you. And if you consider that as the bigger picture of the importance of your will, think of it as a way that you will be remembered, right? Your legacy is not just assets, it's how you're going to be remembered and the burden or not that you're going to leave to people that are going to survive you.